What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to Auto Auction Rebuilds. Today, we're back with one of my favorite vehicles on the channel, my 2016 Tesla Model X. Now, it's no secret that I like electric vehicles. I have my Dodge Charger Daytona Scat Pack, the Tesla Model X90D, my Rivian R1T Quad. I absolutely love electric cars. You also notice I got a ton of gas cars too, but with the price of gasoline lately and the cost of diesel, electric cars are where it's at, especially if you can charge these things up at your home. Now, I know some of you are probably getting tired of seeing the Tesla on the channel. I want to promise you that this is the next to the last video you're going to see on this, because the giveaway for this ends June 15th. And here's the wonderful thing. I use a company called Fathom. Hoovie's Garage uses them too. Regular Car Reviews uses them. And a lot of other YouTubers use this same company. It's a small, veteran-owned and operated company, okay? And yes, the entry fee is a little bit higher than if you were getting it from one of the other large YouTubers, but here's the catch, okay? When you're entering and you're like $5 and you get a sticker. All right, it sounds like a great deal. You enter to win, you got a chance to win a car for a $5 sticker. Here's the problem. Those people usually have hundreds of thousands, if not millions of subscribers, and for $5 for a chance to win a car, how many people do you think are entering to win a car in like $10,000, $40,000? It's going to be a lot. It's going to be a lot. With this company, your odds of winning are much higher than those other guys because the entry fee is a little bit higher. They're a smaller company, and the best part is did it lock on me? I am a relatively small YouTube channel in the big scheme of things. No millions of subscribers here. There we go. I had to unlock it from the key. So here it is, one of the last videos, the next to the last video, because this ends June 15th. All right, June 15th is the last day. In fact, June 15th will be the last video on this car. So if you were thinking about getting in, if you forgot about it, well, now's the time to remember, because you're not going to have an option for much longer. Yes, the doors all automatically open themselves along with the trunk. It all works like it's supposed to. Let's get out. We've got the Falcon Wing doors. Would you look at this thing? This thing, it's absolutely incredible. I love it. Now, it looks a little weird with the trunk open, but you've got 6 seats in this car, okay? You've got the 2 front seats, you got 2 seats back here, and then you got 2 seats back here as well that fold down. And in case you don't know how to work them, super easy. Let me show you. There is a button on the edge here. You push it, and the seat goes down. Same thing over here. There's a button on the edge. You got to kind of feel for it. It's there. Push it down. And then to lift it up, you just push it back up, pull the headrest up. So if you need cargo space, you've got plenty of cargo space. There's also cargo space underneath this as well. You'll see there's a little handle here. You can grab it and lift up, and there's where your charging cable and everything will be. Yes, I am including a charging cable with this, so you can charge it up yourself if you want to. And yes, shipping is included. It has, like new Continental, I believe they're cross contact EV rated low rolling resistance tires. It runs and drives perfect. It's got a new 12-volt battery. It's got a new HEPA filter as well. I had Tesla go through, new sway bar in links on top of that. Tesla went through it. They made sure everything was good to go on this vehicle. Now, if you push this button here, it says close all. That door just slammed, and would you look at that? Everything closes. Just wanted to show you that everything works. And I'm not for sure if you can do this with the key or not, but I think you can. Let's try it. Let's see if we can open the doors with the push of the key fob button. I think you push it twice. Okay, so push it twice, the driver's door open. Now the passenger door open. And I think if you do it again, do the Falcon doors not open from the button? They don't. Oh, that sucks, man. Anyway, how cool is that? I know the trunk opens, right? Yep, the trunk opens. And you can open the frunk as well. But I guess I guess you can't open. Is there a button on the side, maybe? No, there's no button on the side. Damn it, man. I thought that'd be so cool if we... What if you hold it? No. Just once? Ah, it closes them all. Okay. It still sucks you can't open the Falcon doors, though. There's the driver's door. There's the passenger door. And that's all you do. Then you hold it. Or you push it once. There you go. Push it once and the door is closed. Okay. I really thought you could open the Falcon doors or the Gullwing doors from this. Of course, you can push the button on the outside to open the doors. And you see how close it is. It saw me standing there. It made sure that it wasn't going to hit me. I just want you guys to see that everything is working the way it should. Now, if I push this once, do you think it'll close the doors? Yes, it will. So you can close the doors. Why can't you open them? That's so dumb. There it is. Oh, well, whatever. So, last opportunity, ladies and gentlemen. If you want to get in now, because it locked on me again. And I lost the key again. It's in my pocket. Push to unlock, and then... There we go. 2 clicks to unlock and open, and then 1 click to close. Look at this. It's cool. Listen, so it's been a while since I've driven this thing, so I kind of forgot how everything works. I just pulled it out today to make this video for you guys. It's actually been sitting for a couple weeks now. But, yeah, I'm still figuring out how all this stuff works. Then you close the doors, and, of course, I got the new screens, too. I forgot that. I put brand new screens in it from Tesla, the latest generation of screens, so there's no delaminating. Plus, you get all the toy box stuff, and you get media like YouTube and probably some other stuff. I got to remember to take my information off of here as well. So... there it is, guys. Everything is good on this. No cracks in the glass or anything else. You can look around. This thing is absolutely beautiful. If you want to save money on fuel and you want something that is super cool and not to mention big, this is a big vehicle that you can haul your family around in. It's got the rubber floor mats and everything too. So if you got pets, these help a ton. This is something I think you will really, really enjoy. This is a great vehicle. I'm sad to see it go, but I'm really excited to see somebody else that could use it. Hopefully not somebody that's going to just, you know, win it and sell it. But that's an option too. That's an option too. If you wanted to win it and then just turn around and sell it and cash out, I mean, I guess you could too. But I'd like to see this go to somebody that like actually needs a nice sized family vehicle. Something that's going to save them a lot of money, because I've already done all the maintenance that needs to be done to this thing. It should be good to go for a long time to come. And here's another thing on this door. You don't have to pull it and push the door with your arm. If you just pull it, it opens for you. See what I mean? There's so many like gimmicks to this car. You can push it open if you want to, and you can push it closed, and it operates normally as well. But anyway, as you can see, the storms are coming. So I'm going to put this thing back up, and again, one last video coming on this car, June 15th. It is going to be over. So if you want to get in, jump on over to www.fanathem.com/AAR and get yourself something nice. I want to give a big shout out and thank you to Fanathem for working with me on doing these giveaways, because it wouldn't be possible without them. It's really awesome that we're able to do these things for you guys. I enjoy them, and I think you guys enjoy winning. This is now my 3rd giveaway, and everybody so far has been happy. So if you're interested in getting in on this, again, it's www.fanathem.com/AAR, and you can always click the QR code up above, or you can click the link that's down in the description box below. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, hit that thumbs up button and let me know. Consider subscribing to the channel if you're not already subscribed. And until next time, stay safe out there, everybody. I look forward to seeing you all again very soon in the next one.